Hey guys, Rico here, coming at you with another unboxing. This figured out this is basically a part two to I guess it kind of is, to the other unboxing I did with the BBs, because actually it was shipped separately. I figured out because don't hate, but I didn't know that it was shipped separately. So, and this is for this gun, and if you want to see the video for that, it'll be mounted right here. The link. Okay. And I got my Leatherman to open this. It's from Airsoft Station. And you probably already know what it is if I need it to shoot that. So, let's start with some weird boxing. Okay. This how it works? Come on. I'm sorry. Okay. I think I get this. I think I just did this horribly wrong, but you know, whatever. What the heck? Am I doing this right? Okay, okay, I kinda just saw through that. There we go. Okay. So, King Arms, how many meters is this? Or milliliters? Forget, I think it's 1200 milliliters, maybe? Whatever. One of those, I'll put it to where you can see it. Packaging tape here. Then another one. And then that's all I got. But needed this. They had a little special going on. We get two for like 15 bucks, I think. Actually, no, I think it was like 30 actually. Yeah, never mind, I'm way off on that. Anyways, short unboxing, yeah, I know, but always gonna have one of those. And please comment and subscribe for more airsofty goodness. This was Rico.